Benefits channel. I'm De'Ara. What's your name? Emmy.
Bella.
Well, dude.
And today, well, before I start this, I want y'all to go ahead and subscribe because we are on the road to 500 subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,000 and then 10,000 and then 10 million. So we need y'all help to get us there. So, but today we are about to go to the ice cream festival.
Ice cream festival. And me and Amy love ice cream, so.
And Daddy. I like ice cream, but I can go without it. But they have other vendors, so we're crossing the road.
I like ice cream so much that I can eat all of it in 3 seconds.
Okay,
but I am going to get a bun.
So we are about to go to an ice cream festival, and we're about to have some fun. So
I think we're going to get ice cream first.
We're going to see what's there first. But we're going to bring y'all along, and let's have a good time. Okay, let me see what you got.
How many one?
That's sherbet or regular?
Oh, this ice cream.
What kind is it? A sight? Oh.
Yeah, it's ice.
Okay then. Let's try. It's good.
I'm trying to be cool. But god damn.
Your facial expression is not.
Huh?
Is it good? So y'all, it was so hot at that park that we had to
go
leave
somewhere inside.
somewhere inside because
Cause me, I feel like I got an allergic reaction to heat.
Anytime she go outside, she come out, she get you.
I know. And then my back be itching. I told my mom and dad, I be telling my mom and dad, can you scratch my back?
that's because she was rolling in that grass.
And
But
you was itching too when you first got out there.
You was
man,
like, something
I wasn't itching. It was on my. It was
Can I
something
hold
biting me on my arm.
And
It was
she said
something biting me on my
something's
arm.
Something biting me on my arm. Can you
It was
like-
something biting me. So that's the
But
serious.
she was acting dramatic.
I was acting
Like
dramatic.
it's a whole beetle.
I agree.
A whole beetle. You don't know what was on me. It was biting me.
You don't know what's on you.
Now Walter wants me to take his pictures for the
15th time. 30th time.
I got work to do.
Is that a work outfit?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be right back. Gotta take Walter's pictures.
But they do be fly. Look on his Instagram and my Instagram and my mama's Instagram. T. It is T.
And then Bella,
This is where we're gonna like.
we're gonna get some
And
noodles.
some shrimp with noodles. We're gonna share.
Said 20 minutes? Okay. What you got?
Orange chicken. So we got orange chicken.
Orange chicken? That look good.
This
Non-spicy, spicy.
Okay, so we got to eat, but I got some
About to
Sprite.
try this, and I don't even have nothing to drink, but I'll get something in a second. I have a spicy noodle bowl with
And
steak and shrimp.
I have a like original. This don't even look original. Y'all look, it
Don't-
has jalapenos.
Alright, we about to take our first bite in just a second. I'm waiting on that.
But this might be kind of hot. Ooh.
Ooh, cheers. That's steak right there. Steak. Walter looking at our stuff and he wants some. Cheers.
Oh, ooh, I got a shrimp.
Cheers. This is so good.
I'm gonna try the noodles.
We should have got one of those little spoons.
If y'all go to Georgia or if y'all... Y'all, this is so good.
This right here is what I'm talking about. You want to try some, baby?
Right here? And they look so clear. If y'all have a recipe of this, give it to us in the comments. Please do. Because this is like, oh my God.
We're about to waste it.
I think we can make it.
What happened? Then we gotta try with the chopsticks. This is good. Amy and Daddy got Asian food from a different spot.
I didn't want to share with my Emmy.
Yeah, I did not know how to use chopsticks. Look at my hand. You're supposed to go like this.
There we go. It's like this.
Did you put your
If
name
y'all
or
don't know
something?
how to do it, if y'all don't know how to use chopsticks, I do.
What? Girl, you're supposed to show them. I do. I don't know how to use it.
Y'all, you do this? And then, and then, did it?
I love it.
Oh my God.
These are both. I can't eat this chopstick. I'm so low. I need a spoon second.
Y'all, this is our first mukbang. Now I'm about to try the chicken, y'all.
Is chicken in that too?
It's
I mean steak. Now I'm about to try the steak. That is good.
It is.
Oh my gosh. You need to try it.
It's so hot. Oh, that's good.
I know.
That's real good. Look. Ooh, babe, you missing out.
And this is our first mukbang, y'all.
Oh, YouTube. Oh, Emmy, moving the phone. Emmy, stop moving the phone. Hold on, guys. We got a toddler going on. Emmy, let it go.
With my sister. Like,
Once I got orange chicken and rice for Emmy. Emmy is not being patient. We're gonna finish enjoying our food and let Daddy eat it. Yeah, he gave me. Daddy will go get Emmy's food, and we'll meet y'all at the house. No, where we going there? It's the farmer's market. Woo!
it's big too. Y'all need to go.
Because I don't think y'all can hear us in here, so we're gonna have. Time to go to the farmer's market. All right, so we are back home. We couldn't record in the farmer's market because it says no recording. So we just wanted to wrap this video up. I hope y'all enjoyed. And we'll be back. We'll be back
In the next video.
in the next video. So subscribe, like, comment,
and share.
hit the bell button, share.
Share
Do
to
everything
all
to
your
get
friends.
us to a
And we
million
gonna
subscribers.
get-
We're about to take our showers, get ready for bed. We'll watch a movie and probably get ready for bed. And that's our day. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And we will see you in the next video.
Peace.
Bye.
Hope you have a great day. And a great life.